Hello and welcome to Bolosign. Today in this video we will learn how to set signing orders. First we will open the Bolosign app. We click on this plus icon to upload our document. I'm clicking from my file. Now since we want to send this document out to others on mail, we will select others remotely. As you can see, here is a checkbox set signing order. We'll click on that. Now this will ensure that the first signer will receive the document first and then it goes to the second. For instance, if you think there is a document that need to be checked by manager first and then to the legal team and then finally to the clients. If there is any changes that is required, it get corrected before it finally goes to the client. This whole process will help in that. To set the signing order, we will enter the email address and their name and click on add signer again for the another person. And once everything is set, we'll click on create document. As you can see, our document is uploaded. Now we can place the fields as per the requirements. To place the field, we will click on this plus icon. Choose the field which we want. Now again we will go to this plus icon and change the role and choose their field which they need to fill. Once every field is set and your document is ready to send, just click on send. As you can see, the document has been sent to the recipients and they will receive the mail. This is how they will receive the mail. Click on sign now. Start signing. Here they can find the fields which they need to fill. Click on the fields. You can either draw the signature, upload the image of the signature, or even type. And you can even save the signature. I am here selecting the save signature and just click on accept and sign. Once every field is filled, we'll click on finish. Since I was on the top to sign, I received the mail first. Now the second recipient will be able to see the document and sign it. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.